Okay, so even though I have not yet gotten my surgery, but I'm really excited for it. I know I'm only 17, but I will be getting it done when I'm 18, so yeah, for my birthday. For people who really want to see a good number of before and after pictures and get a doctor's point of view on an outrageous number of questions, stories, and articles about whatever procedure that they want to get, I would recommend realself.com. I have gotten an account on there, and you're able to ask your own question. Now for me, I've tried to ask my question, but it isn't doing it, so I haven't been able to post my own question and get a doctor's opinion on it yet. But on there, you can go down to the bottom and look at before and after photos, and it will just ask you, for what procedure, and they have practically almost every procedure, like A to Z. And you can even look up, let's say, I don't know, there's something on there where you can look up all types of procedures and things, and when you go look up your own doctor, you can, if the procedure that you click, if your doctor is always on there, then those are procedures that you know he does. And if you're trying to find out if the same doctor does different procedures, that's also a way to do it. Just keep clicking different procedures and look for your nearest doctor. My doctor is going to be Dr. Mead. He's here in Dallas, at the Dallas Plastic Surgery Institute of Dallas. And I'm really glad because I plan on getting a Brazilian butt lift and breast augment. I looked on realself.com to make sure that those can be done as one whole procedure, and most doctors, at least 75 to 85% of them said yes. The others said no, we'll get to you in a few days later or a few months later, and I really don't want that. I want it all just done and over with. Also, get multiple procedures. Some doctors take a discount off on the second or third procedures that you're planning on getting, or anesthesia and everything. So it's really good to get multiple procedures, even though it's not like you have to get multiple procedures. 2 or 3 is pretty multiple enough, and you can still get a discount from that. 2 different insurances are Care Credit and Medical Care Financing. With Care Credit, I kind of like it just because there's payment plan, but it does depend on how much your surgery costs overall. Because what sucks is that if you don't have a lot to pay, and they give you 60 months to pay it off, which is practically 5 years, sometimes they'll want large payments over the course of those months. So I think that's something you should talk with your surgeon about, as far as trying to help you with that insurance. So in case you have some financial issues, then that's not going to be much of a struggle, because you make a late payment, there's interest. So look into that as well. But don't forget realself.com. Great site to learn everything about all procedures that you want done, recovery time, methods, sizes, shapes, everything. And there's a bajillion before and after pictures for you to look at for extra convincing and reassurance. So yeah.